So hello guys, welcome back to another video in Software Guru channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use USB as extra or external RAM for your PC or laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To get started, first you have to connect your USB. As you can see, I have not connected my USB here, so I'm going to connect it manually. So let me connect it and then show you the USB prompt here. Okay guys, so I have connected my USB. Let's refresh. You can see USB drive has been appeared here. I have formatted it before connecting, before showing you. Then right click on it and then go in properties and then click on ready boost here. You can see it has no files in it. It's totally free. If you can keep file, you want to keep file, you can keep. So let's move. Click on ready boost and click on use this device, and the maximum amount you can use is 4 GB according to the USB. If it is 8, you can use 4. If it is 12, you can use 6, half of it. Okay, so then click on OK. It will do its process. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Just kidding, 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, then finished. You can see the 4 GB of my pen drive has been already used, and the speed of your laptop will get increased. If you want to see the perfect speed, just restart it, or you can use it normally like before. You can see the Chrome in my laptop never took this speed to get opened. You can see the speed. So okay guys, let me show you by opening another apps like YouTube. You can see it's taking a just millisecond time to open. So this is the way you can use your USB to use as extra RAM for your laptop or PC. So if you want to get back your drive or USB to normal, just right click and then click on properties, go on ready boost and click do not use this device and then click on OK. It will take 2-3 seconds here also, and then your pen drive will get back to you as normal as before. See, the total free space is already available. So I want to use extra RAM for my PC because I saw it affected. So I will just click ready boost and I will use this again for my PC until I shut down my PC. So okay guys, this was all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please make sure to like this video and please check out our website softwareguruferos.com. There you can find every single tips and blogs and any installation files or anything you want. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and bye.